this hard.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Guys, yeah, I just finished making breakfast for my husband and I had to like get ready for the day. Today I have plans on shooting videos and making like a lot of content today. And guys, I'm currently in my workspace. I later make use of this room as my workspace, but guys, it has not been arranged. Like, this is like a workspace slash a store for now, so I'm going to like still like set it up and make it fit. So today I have Marvelous is around, so I want to do makeup for her. I want to do makeup for, also I want to do like a makeup shoot also, and also I want to make my nails. So I got this from Siwa. She gave me this for my, I think, naming ceremony, like when I gave birth to Jemima. So it has this girl more. So today I was like, okay, because I actually want to make a video for her. So I was like, okay, let me just make use of these nails today so I can actually send her the video. But guys, like, can you see how gorgeous these nails look? Like, it's so gorgeous and beautiful. So I want to make use of. She also sent this. It came with these super glue. This is a thank you card. It has this, I think this is for the cuticle to just push it in. It has a super glue. This is a teco. It has this aqua pad inside, and I think it is 2 aqua pads, so I think one for each fingers, like one for each. It has this, and also it has this as files. So after the nails, then I have to like start Marvelous makeup and do my own video too as well. Today's just going to be like a chilling day. Currently Jericho is sleeping and Jemima is with Marvelous, so that's why I have the time to shoot this video. If not, we'll just be sleeping together. So guys, I'm done with my nails and this is what I did. Guys, I love this so much. Number one, guys, it's very easy to install, like very easy. For someone like me, like I find it like so easy. I'm not actually someone into nail, like this is my first time of doing press on all by myself, and it was very easy for me to install. Guys, I'm going to say how long this is going to take and show you how long it lasted. Too much of super glue, so I use like minimum, like that pack still remains and it's still very much inside. So this is what I did, and I think I love the look. I love how it feels. I don't know if you can see this, but I'll put a video up for you to see how it looks. And guys, now I'm done creating the content for my nails. I have to do my girl's makeup now, and we want to do like a shoot together. Guys, I'm trying to like see how I can actually utilize everything now that my two babies are sleeping. To God be the glory, Jerick is sleeping, Jemima is sleeping at the same time. Guys, one thing about them is that they used to do things at the same time. I don't know if they are twins or like they wake up at the same time, they get hungry at the same time, they need my attention at the same time, they are sleeping at the same time now. So I'm free now. I can do the makeup I want to do now. Take along the video too. It's actually for a content for another video that I'll be dropping next week after this. So I don't know if I'll drop that one first or this one. God knows the one that is going to come first. Yeah, so that is that. So guys, yeah, I've changed my outfit and this is my boss over here.
Hi guys.
So I want to like create like my own look on her. So you know this thing that is trending, like, oh, you dress your mom up as a Gen Z. So I'll be turning Marvelous to me. Yeah, I know she's wearing like something like I can wear.
Washing machine.
Oh god, I was scared. So I'll be turning her into me. She's going to dress like me, and let's see if she's going to eat that. People say we are trying to look alike. I think. So I'll turn her into me. It's just that me, I'm the fatter version. Like I'm not getting fatter, so. But that's that. Like. Oh. So do you want to say anything to the camera?
Hi guys. It's Debbie.
So we have to break, have like a mini break. My baby started crying, so I know you can hear that. Mama with the drama. So guys, the lights just went off, and this is how Marvelous is looking. She's so sad. Let's finish up. We will continue.